Are you getting ready for Medicare? Do you feel like Alice falling down the rabbit hole? Are you at a tea party with your friends or neighbours that are giving you confusing facts? Are you stressed about your upcoming enrolment into Medicare and not sure what to do? Stop chasing the white rabbit and attend a Golden Years Design Benefits educational workshop. It does matter when to begin the process, getting the right facts, and how to avoid costly mistakes. Learn how Medicare works from a trusted local Medicare advisor that has been helping seniors for over 30 years. We at Golden Years Design Benefits are mad about the Medicare rules and how they work. Do I need to enroll in Medicare? And if so, what is the easiest way? How do I pick the best secondary plan? What are the differences between Medicare Supplement insurance and the Medicare Advantage program? What about my Part D prescription drug plan options? Once I pick a Medicare plan, how do I ensure I am not paying more than I need to? Let us be your trusted Medicare license advisor and stop drinking the tea. Sign up for an educational workshop today. Start your Medicare journey down the right path, instead of chasing the white rabbit on silly bunny trails that lead to nowhere. Remember, never a fee and you are under no obligation. It's an education. If you like this video, like us on Facebook, Golden Years Design Benefits. Let us know Alice sent you.